Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you and I'll show you how you can create your assignment presentations using with the help of artificial intelligence. There are a lots of websites which are offering these services, like you can create your unique type of presentations, but the website that today I'm going to tell you is very amazing, and it's free to use and easy to use. It has a lot of beautiful and amazing features. So let's get into it. First of all, open Google and type here Menace AI. Okay, so just hit the enter button and you will see there you have these multiple options like AI slide generator, AI video generator, hands-on AI. So if you want to create your slides presentation, you can just go with the AI slide generator. Here you will have to enter the detail of your project and it will start creating your ideas into stunning presentation. So let's generate beautiful slides about, let's create about something about the studies, like you can see about antibiotics, and you just write your idea and it will start, and it will start designing the slides for your presentation. So after that, doing that, you will just need to enter this start designing button. So just keep copying me and you will get your presentation. So here it asks me to sign up my account first, so I will go with continue with Google button and I will select my Google account, so that my account will be created and it will then start designing slide for my presentation. After doing these basic steps, my account will be created over this Manus website. So it has started designing the slides for my topic, and here it asks for the package if you want to take this, anyone. Okay, so I would like to go with the free package. So here is no option for the free package. You can just simply cross this button and it will start thinking about the your selected topic, and it will start creating the slides. So it will just take a few seconds. So as you can see that our slide has been created, and as you can see that is the history, that how he has gathered all the information for the presentation slides. It has included these topics: introduction to antibiotics, history of antibiotic, how antibiotics works, and these all of these topics it has been added. As you can see, these are the slides. You can download these slides one by one. Okay, you can see this slide. It's loading just, as you can see. These are the slides. The first slide, second slide. As you can see, it has also added some charts. It has also given the background history. So it has created almost 7 slides. So you can see that we have created an amazing eye-catching slides presentations. So you can just simply download this presentation from this button in PDF or PPT. You can also save it to drives, or you can also convert it to Google Slides. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.